Welcome to ABC Jungle Adventure. Let's learn A to Z with fun animals.
A for ant. Ant. B for bear. Bear. C for cat. Cat. D for deer. Deer. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fox. Fox. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for horse. Horse. I for iguana. Iguana. J for jaguar. Jaguar. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nightingale. Nightingale. O for ostrich. Ostrich.
P for parrot.
Parrot. Q for quail. Quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sparrow. Sparrow. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V for vulture. Vulture. W for wolf. Wolf. X for cirrus. Cirrus. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.
Yay, you did it! See you in the next ABC Adventure.